Hi guys, namhlanje siyimbeide ama-studios we-Lesedi FM ke Molelwa and Snobrativos ubetha i-afternoon drive 3 to 6 amanye ama-drive amakhulu across i-SABC, across radio generally. Yeah.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Sure. And how many years now have you been doing this?
I've been on radio for 20 years. 10 years the Lesedi FM, and then 10 years community. Yeah.
And growing up, which radio station did you grow up listening to?
Of course, Lesedi, because the dream was, of course, to be here.
Yeah.
So, but as a practitioner, radio practitioner, Umamela Ungama station, I listen to everybody. I know almost all the radio presenters in South Africa.
Don't lie. You see, don't lie on the public platform.
Of all radio stations, because it's what I love. So you can't be ignorant. You need to know what's happening.
Give me 3 of your favorite Ikwekwezi FM presenters of all time.
Kwekwezi?
Yes. Yeah.
Kwekwezi. Mbuzana? Yo. Kanake mauti. Yo. I listen to everybody. I know almost all the radio presenters in South Africa.
Few moments later.
Mbuzana. Kanake mauti. It's on sports. King
Ganadla.
Ganadla.
Yeah. Oh, Big Joe.
Big Joe. Yo. Kanake mauti. And it's afternoon drive. It's a midday. No.
Busy.
Oh, Mukoni.
Yes. Who's the captain of the Springboks?
Springboks? Kamsi. I know him. He was married to a white lady, but Kolis, Sia. Yeah. Sia Kolis. The Springboks, you said?
Yeah.
Sia Kolis.
Yeah. And what is the surname of Nelson Mandela?
Holy Shasha.
What?
Mandela.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Mandela. Yeah.
Next. Hey.
And what is 99,000 plus 1?
Million. 1 million.
1 million.
1 million.
Yeah.
But you...
Hey.
If we call a person who sells flowers a florist, what do we call a person who sells fish?
Okay, Otweba is a fisherman. Otengisayo. You. A fishery? A fishery? No. Oh, wait.
Chief, wait, you're losing the point.
A person who sells fish. Man. Okay, let's stick to fisherman.
Wabafana man. What?
And what do you call the smell of the earth after it rains?
Man. Man.
Back to Limpopo.
Okay. What time is 9 hours before midnight?
9 hours before midnight. 5.
Yeah, Jesus, God me, help me.
Yeah? 5. 6. 6, yeah.
Okay.
No. It's 5.
5.
4.
4.
Yeah, 4.
That's the final
4
answer.
o'clock, yeah, 4.
4. And what is an ambulance?
An ambulance is a vehicle that carries sick people to hospital.
And what sound does it make? An ambulance.
Yeah? No. Yeah, no. You'll choose one.
Okay, what is the opposite of the word up?
Down.
Left.
Right.
Sorry.
George Kulail.
Who is the most famous Ndebele person you know?
Gok Mahlang. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gok Mahlang.
If 1 is equals to 5, 2 is equals to...
Slow.
Yeah. 1 is equals to 5, 2 is equals to 10, 3 is equals to 15, 4 is equals to 20, 5 is equals to what?
50. I didn't do well, Kamets.
Yeah.
50. Yeah.
I can't believe this.
Okay, can you repeat after me? Ne? Blue,
Blue,
red,
red,
yellow, orange.
orange.
What color is the grass?
What color is the grass?
Okay, that's a good. And who is the Speaker of the National Assembly?
Now.
Yes.
Metabolic disease. Now it's metabolic disease now. Yeah.
Which is longer, between 2 hours and 90 minutes?
Is that fun? Yeah. Okay, let me for safety, let me say 2 hours. Yeah.
Yes.
What color is the sun?
Blue. No, the sky is blue. The sun changes color, bruh.
Depends on your eyes, ne?
Yeah, the sun changes color.
Awukhonahali shem.
What is the slogan of Lesedi FM?
Kimulelo.
And of Ikwekwezi?
Kukhanya ba.
Thank you.
Sifumane usemkhanyweni wobumnandi ilwazi ifundo zemidlalo nendaba uKwekwezi FM kukhanya ba.